Good day, I am Maramak, and today I will be answering interview questions about communicative language. So the first question is, how does communicative languages enhance English proficiency among students? So when we say communicative languages, it enhances English proficiency by focusing on real-world situations. Students learn to use language naturally rather than just memorizing rules. This helps them to understand and use English in practical situations. So the second question is, what are the difficulties experienced by students in using correct grammar in the context of oral or written communications? Students often struggle with grammar rules, especially in speaking, on the use of verb tenses, word orders, and articles, and this can lead to misunderstanding among students and can lower their confidence or self-esteem. For the third question, what is the role of communicative approach or practice in improving the English proficiency of students? A communicative approach or practice helps students learn English in a meaningful way because it emphasizes using language to express ideas, opinions, and concepts with others by interacting or by doing collaborative outputs. This approach also makes learning more enjoyable, more fun, and engaging. For the fourth question, how do communicative activities impact student grammar skills and overall language performance? Communicative activities help students practice grammar in context. They learn to apply the grammar rules to real-life situations, and this improves their grammar skills and their overall language ability. And for the last question, what strategies are suggested for enhancing communicative competence in English language? Actually, I have 5 suggested strategies to enhance English communicative languages and competence. The first one is to create a classroom or environment where language is rich, so the students and the teachers must use English as medium of instruction in the classroom. The second one is use authentic materials such as English books that features English literature and stories. Students can also use English movie to watch and listen to musics or songs that are in English language. The third one is field trips, or the teacher can organize different language exchange program. The fourth one and the fifth one, or the last one, is use technology, online tools, and apps that are available for students to learn and practice their English grammar.